Well, that ain't fun. That ain't fun at all.
Who's got the fire extinguisher?
Get out of the way now. It's gonna happen.
Oh yeah, that's gonna go up fast.
Give me a leg up there, dude. Come on.
I got it on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, here it goes.
Let's go.
There it goes. It's going. Keep it going. Don't stop. Yeah, that's just smoldering.
You're okay. You're okay. They got it. They got it. Firework landing up there.
Oh my God. No!
Back it up.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my God. Here, come give me a leg up there with a blanket, and I'll get this thing out.
Yeah. Get up higher.
What was that? It's a firework.
How hard is it to keep the fucking hose on the fire?
It's not over. It's pretty soon.
Okay, she's scared. Okay.
It's not even.
She better be scared. Dude. That could have got bad quick. Keep it on there, Pedro. Oh, the other side's on fire now.
Oh, dude.
4 alarm! 4 alarm!
Oh, he made it worse. Mike, you made it worse. Go there, babe. You fought a fire before.
Stand
Where's
back.
the firefighter people here? Ghost his husband. This is only what happened in Mexico.
Get another fire hose, man.
Why is someone inside shooting up? That is not, that's getting worse, you guys. No, on the other side, it's going to get great.
Wait, where
I'm videotaping all this.
No, we don't need the water. Keep drinking. What's your shot?
Get up there, man.
Greg?
I've got all this on video too.
There goes the closet.
That was a good idea at the time.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the lobby.
Someone needs to come up there and put that out.
Let's go to the lobby. Guys, I don't think this is going to get any better. If we can have people head this way, we're really sorry. Sorry, but if we could have everybody head this way. I truly apologize.
Jana, we can just jump in the ocean. We'll be fine.
The hotel is asking us to have people jump this way. Yeah. Yeah. If we could please have everyone head this way.
Yeah.
Tim.
There you go.
Yeah. They got it.
It's done.
Hey, where's Marcus at?
Craig is registered on the phone.
Wow.
That's going.
Let's keep going.
You better get another fire hose.
What's crazy is I was standing right here taking a video and I got hit by a piece of fire. Oh yeah, hit me right in the face.
Dude, can I not get a cocktail?
Yes.
Really? Thank God. That's. Oh,
Hit me right here.
I know. He got hit by a firework came down.
I got all this on video.
You got it when the fireworks was doing?
Face. I'm like, they hit you right there. It's like, yeah, it's like a mark on it.
Hold on, I'm getting all of it.
I'm gonna. This will be the first time I'm gonna tell you what to do. Let's get out of here.
Stop it. You stop it.
No, it doesn't. Put the camera down. We're supposed to leave.
Any fire injuries on anybody? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you guys can start making your way out, please. If you can start going.
Hoses in there.
Like you have to do it from the bottom and the top.
No, you just gotta get more water in there. Hey, if you guys have another hose, put all your hoses on it. 3 or 4 hoses.
Yeah, they need hose.
You guys need more hoses. Hey, ¿tienes más agua? You need more hoses? You need 2 more hoses on that. I'm a firefighter. You need 2 more hoses on that. Get more hoses. 2 more hoses. 2 more hoses. Go get more hoses. Go get more. It's neither. You need 2 more hoses. Soak it hard. You need 2 more. Keep it soaking. Need water. Just put more water on it, man. That thing's cooking.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah, he's like, I'm getting my equipment up. Gow. Hey, when they talk about put the roof on fire.
Yeah, that was my next song.
The roof. The roof. You need 2 more hoses, boys. I'm telling you now. I don't know who's in charge here, but you need more hoses. Get more hoses. Well, they're fire extinguisher spots, but they need 2 more.
Yeah.
Firefighter guy right here. They need 2 more hoses. More hoses. They need to keep it soaked hard. There you go. Just jump in there. Leave in there.
Yeah.
Those CO2s aren't going to do nothing. You need water. Need more water. Get it from the bottom too. I don't know why it's so hard to get another hose. Keep that water going, dude. They run out of pressure?
Yeah. Se le está acabando el agua. Igual el solar.
Where's the doctor at? Where's Trisha? There you go, there you go. Start flooding that thing out. They need to see you get more water on it. With that wind? Dude, this whole shit would be over if they got 2 more hoses on that. They need to soak it hard.
Are you a fireman too?
My dad, I had Navy and I used to do tons of DC men, so I just did tons of stuff. But it's all about.
Is it still popping up a little bit?
Oh yeah, it's still smoldering. It's gonna smolder hard. This thing's tightly packed. Those fire extinguishers aren't doing anything. They need to get at least 5 of them on that if that's what they want to do, but it's just water.
You just gotta soak it.
Just put water. Just drown it. Drown it. Just keep in there with that hose. I think they were saying too, the hose is out of water.
That's
So thirsty, can't drink a drop of it.
Around, yeah.
They're out of water. That's crazy. Joe, what happened, Joe?
Oh, good, man. I guess a straight bullet. Something like that.
I have the whole thing on film, Joe.
Oh, do you
From
really?
the first ember to where they're at now.
Do you really?
Yeah. Everyone's panicking, getting stupid. They just need more hoses on that thing.
Yeah, they got to pull back all that straw too. I think,
Well,
like the stuff buried in there.
They do, but they can just they need to jam like 2 or 3 more hoses.
Yeah.
If they have hoses over there, they need to run them up.
I don't know where the Cancun.
You have another hose on that side?
I think they just got extinguishers.
Call the fire department right now.
I don't know. It's like.
Call the bombarderos.
All right. Well,
This is the wrap, Joe.
guess we're going to Havana. And I don't mean Cuba. Get a little bit more than what you bargained for here.
The roof is on fire.
Literally.
Well, looks like they got it.
Pyrotechnics go like that.
They need to get on that though, a little more H2O, get another hose in there, it'll be good. Okay, out.